Well, as you saw in our last video, we are in Benson, Arizona. We have hooked up with a buddy camper of ours. Norman's on the move. Delane and Brigham Norman are with us, and we are starting to travel through the Southwest and going to make our way up into Utah through the middle of June-ish or so. It is now about the third week of April. But I haven't done much maintenance on the RV, which that makes today is a beautiful day outside. It's a little on the warmer side, but today's going to be a maintenance today. We need to grease the bearings, give them a shot of grease the axles, grease the hitch. I need to clean the air conditioners, clean the solar panels, because there's going to be a fair amount of boondocking in our plans coming up. So I'm going to take you around today with us as we go through doing just some basic maintenance. Welcome to the Arizona sunshine. Well, that's one thing that I'm not going to do. I am not going to get into the weeds of how to clean your coils. I'm going to put a link right here to a buddy of mine, Joel. Check him out. Certified RV tech. He'll give you the ins and outs of how to clean your coils on your air conditioner. Well, the good news is that ours are not terribly dirty, so this maybe not going to be too bad. We'll see what the front one looks like here in just a minute. But got my coil cleaner. Read the directions on it. It says to soak it down real good, let it set for about 5 or 10 minutes and then rinse it out. So tally ho, here we go. We'll give that about 10-15 minutes and let it soak for a bit. In the meantime, while we're up here, we're going to bring the bucket up and some soap, and we're going to give the panels a good washing while we're on top. Like I said, we're getting ready to do a fair amount of boondocking. They haven't been washed in a hot minute, so we'll get that up here and get started on that while we're waiting on this to soak for a bit. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. We'll rinse it and see what it looks like. And there you are. Not so bad. This one wasn't anyway. We'll look at the front one when we get up there. I'll let you see it. But yeah, definitely refer to Joel's video, and he'll hook you up on how to do this the proper way. I don't have a fin comb, so I'm not going to comb those messed up fins out. I need to get one. All right, so I said that I'd talk about it, and the front one is by far the worst. There's all kinds of bugs and crap in there, so we've got a good coat on it. I'm giving it about 10 minutes to sit and soak. All the roof work done. Now we'll start working on greasing a few things and getting the hitch greased up and the system up below and the shade greased up. Well, part of doing the maintenance is knowing when to take a break. So you saw me in a red shirt. It was the other day, and it was hot outside. I'm old, fat, and tired, so I took a break for the day. Start over again today. We're going to start back. That day we got the solar panels done and got the air conditioners cleaned. My time lapse for the solar panels didn't work, but so you'll just have to pretend that you saw me wash solar panels. I'm sure you can figure it out. Today we're going to do the greasing, the basic greasing. I'm going to see if I can get around and look and check on our brake pads just to make sure. It's just kind of that time to check on it. The other thing is last night Donna went to roll the awning back in because the wind was blowing and it didn't want to go in like it was supposed to. So I will show you a clip up here, but it appears that we have lost a rivet in the end cap. So that's going to be on the maintenance list today, and I'll take you along for that too. So life in an RV, there's always something to do. Well, gotten up here, this cap right here has got the motor on it, and it just fits onto the end of your tube right here. And I don't know if you can see right here, it's got a rivet in it, but for some reason the rivet that goes here and the one that goes on this side are now missing. So I guess we're going to put some rivets in it. And it doesn't look like it's that hard. It's more of a pain to get up here than it is to actually do the work, I think. So let's see how this goes. that didn't work out. Guess we're gonna have some new holes, huh? See how that works. Awning prepared. Now I think on these we're supposed to put steel, but I don't have any, so I put 3 aluminum ones, and I think it's got one steel left in it. We'll have to see how this works out for a little while. On to the next project. About it being old, climbing around under here, whew. You know, while I'm under here, I'm also looking at all of my wells, all my bolts, see if they've turned loose anywhere, anything like that. So not only am I just greasing, I'm also inspecting while I'm under here, looking for any greasy spots, things that might need attention later on. So we are also spending some time putting some dry lube on all kinds of different things all the way around the camper, trying to take care of stuff. I mean, we got everything tore out. We're already working on it. Why not go ahead and do it? If you're gonna do it right. So oil and hinges, all kinds of stuff. Well, didn't get in and out with y'all as much as I wanted to, but we've managed to get the shot of grease in the bearings, got the axles all greased up. We got our awning fixed and repaired. Went over to my friend's house, got their front air conditioner coils cleaned on it. We've taken care of all of our leveling jacks, got them all oiled up, even put some grease on the hitch, cleaned it up. So I feel like we've been productive today. How about y'all? Have you been productive today? So anyway, hey, if you like what we're doing, do us a favor, please hit that like button and share us with your friends. Till next time, we'll see you somewhere out on the road.